Grow lights for indoor plants. Have you ever wondered why some indoor plants stay lush, green, and full of life, while others slowly become weak, pale, and lifeless? The secret isn't always watering or fertilizer. In many homes, the real missing ingredient is light. Today we're exploring one of the biggest game changers for indoor gardening: grow lights. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how grow lights work, why they matter, and how they can completely transform your indoor plants into healthy, vibrant beauties. Indoor plants bring life, freshness, and natural beauty into our homes. They clean the air, brighten our rooms, and create a peaceful atmosphere. But unlike outdoor plants, indoor plants often don't receive enough natural sunlight to grow properly. Even a bright-looking room may not provide the light your plants truly need. This is where grow lights become incredibly helpful. Grow lights are specially designed to provide plants with the light they need for healthy growth. They imitate natural sunlight and help plants continue growing even during cloudy days, winter months, or in rooms with little or no sunlight. Many people believe grow lights are only for professional gardeners, but that's simply not true. Today anyone can use them at home. Whether you have one small plant on your desk or an entire indoor garden, grow lights can make a huge difference. One of the first signs that your plant isn't getting enough light is slow growth. New leaves become smaller, stems become thin, and the plant starts leaning toward the nearest window. This is your plant's way of searching for more sunlight. With the right grow light, your plants receive consistent lighting every day. Instead of struggling to survive, they begin to grow stronger, healthier, and greener. Different plants have different lighting needs. Some plants, like snake plants and pothos, can survive in lower light conditions. Others, like herbs, vegetables, succulents, and flowering plants, need much brighter light to thrive. That's why understanding your plant's needs is the first step toward success. Modern LED grow lights have become the most popular choice because they are energy efficient, long-lasting, and produce very little heat. This means they are safe for indoor use and help reduce electricity costs while giving plants excellent light. One common mistake beginners make is placing the grow light too close to the plant. While plants love light, they can still become stressed if the light is extremely intense. On the other hand, placing the light too far away reduces its effectiveness. Finding the right distance allows plants to receive enough energy without causing damage. Timing is another important factor. Plants need light, but they also need darkness. Just like people need sleep, plants need a daily rest period. Most indoor plants grow well with around 12 to 16 hours of light each day, followed by several hours of darkness. Using a timer can make this process simple and consistent. Another benefit of grow lights is that they allow you to grow plants almost anywhere inside your home. A dark corner, an office desk, a hallway, or even a room without windows can become a beautiful green space with proper lighting. This gives plant lovers endless decorating possibilities while keeping their plants healthy. If you enjoy growing herbs like basil, mint, parsley, or cilantro, grow lights can help you enjoy fresh herbs throughout the year. Even during winter, your indoor herb garden can continue producing fresh leaves for your kitchen. Flowering plants also respond well to quality lighting. With proper care, many indoor flowering plants produce brighter blooms and stay healthy for much longer. Another amazing advantage is that seedlings grow much stronger under grow lights. If you're starting vegetables or flowers from seeds, providing enough light during the early stages creates healthier young plants with stronger stems and better root systems. Many people become discouraged when their indoor plants stop growing. They water them more, add fertilizer, or change the soil, but nothing improves because the real problem is insufficient light. Once proper lighting is added, the transformation can be remarkable. Healthy leaves become greener. New growth appears regularly. Plants stand upright instead of stretching. Overall growth becomes fuller and more attractive. However, remember that grow lights are not magic. Plants still need proper watering, good quality soil, suitable humidity, and occasional feeding. Light is one important part of complete plant care. As your indoor garden grows, you may discover how enjoyable it is to watch plants respond to better conditions. Every new leaf becomes exciting. Every healthy stem is a sign that your care is making a difference. Indoor gardening teaches patience, observation, and appreciation for nature. Small improvements each day eventually become beautiful results. Whether you live in an apartment, a house, or a place with limited sunlight, grow lights allow you to enjoy thriving plants throughout the year. Imagine walking into your room and seeing vibrant green leaves, healthy foliage and beautiful plants filling your space with life and freshness. That dream is possible with proper lighting and consistent care. Remember, successful plant care isn't about luck. It's about understanding what plants truly need and giving them the right environment to grow. When your plants receive enough light, they reward you with healthier growth, stronger roots, richer colors, and lasting beauty. So if your indoor plants have been struggling, maybe they aren't asking for more water. They're simply asking for more light. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about grow lights and want more indoor gardening tips, plant care guides, and creative garden inspiration, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow plant lovers. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep bringing nature into your home. Happy gardening!